Hello, and how's everyone doing? So before I get into the video, I just want to take a moment to thank everyone who has been supporting me for helping me reach 100 subscribers. I know I still have a long way to go to actually reach the requirements to be able to monetize the videos, but every like, subscriber, and view that I get is one step closer to achieving that. So overall, I'm just really thankful for everything. So back to the video. So what I'm going to be doing today in this video is going over the progress so far that I have had on the long-term and dividend capturing portfolio that I have on N1 Finance. So since last video, I have put in around $100 more, and if you take a look here, I currently have around 63 in cash that I'm waiting to invest for. I'm waiting for like a downtrend and a red day to be able to buy more shares of all the stocks I have. So like I said, overall the market has been rising and creating higher highs, and that has allowed me to be able to profit in almost every single ETF that I have. You see, almost every ETF that I have is up, with the exception of the emerging markets one, which is down about 0.87%. But overall, we've been doing pretty good on the ETFs. As for the three big blue chip stocks that I have, they have been also going up slowly. I know Microsoft has earnings this week, so that's going to be something to watch out for, because there might be a good opportunity to be able to buy more. And as for Amazon, I know that its Prime Day is coming up, which I expect the price to increase, reflecting the success of its Prime Day sales. And Apple has been steadily increasing. We're right around flat. We're a little bit up on it, but no major news has come out for Apple. The only red thing in my portfolio is the cannabis sector. And normally, if I were day trading this, I would have cut losses already, because I'm actually down quite a bit. We're down around 12%. Yeah, we're down around 12%. Every single stock in this section is down. I think there was some news, but I'm not too sure what the news was about, but that affected almost all the major cannabis companies. However, I'm planning on holding them for the long term, so I'm not too worried about it. I definitely see value in the cannabis industry. It's just a matter of time before more places begin to make it legal. And in my opinion, I don't really see why every state isn't pushing to expedite this process, because regardless of whether it's legal or not, there's always going to be people selling it. So in every state, so it's in every state's best interest to make it legal, so they can benefit from the sales tax of it. So on the other hand, if they keep it illegal, the money that is made from the illegal sales is not going to get reported, and so the states' governments are not going to be able to get a share of those profits from the taxes that are going to be generated from the sales. And so it's only a small percentage that I actually have invested in cannabis. I think it's around 5%. So regardless of how much we're down, it's not really affecting the portfolio that much. So that's going to be it for this video. I know it was a pretty short one, but like I said, there's not going to be too much movement in this portfolio, because of how safe these most of these investments are, for the exception of the cannabis industry. So I'll probably make another video updating the progress next week. So like I said, that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one.